guys, today we're going to make bread rolls.
Bread rolls. What's that?
Bread, eggs, ano na name nito?
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs, cheese, and ham.
And this one, who's this? Baby. Oh, gagawin na. Oh, dito kasi to.
Alright, how do we make?
Una yung bread.
Okay.
Wait, alika na.
Okay.
Bread. Tapos, lagyan mo this one.
Ng ham?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom.
Okay,
Like that.
it's my turn.
Yeah.
It's my turn, Mama.
Wait lang. This one, the cheese.
It's very,
Where?
very big.
Lagay mo dito.
On top of the ham.
Hungry.
Then, i-roll mo hanggang doon.
Oh,
Only one, baby. Only one, baby.
and the play.
Ipitan mo na.
Making.
Na pag-roll.
Ha?
Ipitan. And this one, ganyan yung pag-roll.
My turn.
Para mahigpit.
Okay.
My turn.
I want to take a bite already.
Hindi pa luto. Then,
Buwan.
ilalagay mo siya sa
I'll try
egg.
sa egg.
Yan.
Egg.
Ano yung egg mo? Wait.
Egg. Me too. That's an egg.
Kaya parang sarap ng ano eh.
Ayun pala.
Egg. Pea.
Come on.
Egg.
Oh, wait.
No.
Lagyan
Egg.
natin ng egg.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh,
No.
ganyan mo yung egg. I-roll mo siya sa
Well, you
egg.
can use gloves if you want.
Yeah.
But if you want your hands to
We have
be
no gloves.
But if you want your hands to be dirty, just
Then, this one, lalagay mo siya dyan. I-roll mo
Okay.
siya sa bread.
First.
Okay.
Tapos ano niya, i-turn
I-roll mo
mo.
lang siya ganyan.
Yeah.
Mom, it's my turn.
Then,
Then put it here.
okay. No.
My turn.
O, sige. Gagawa ka din.
Okay, I'll take my bread.
Wait lang, anak. Wait. Wait lang, babe.
Mommy, again, pick me.
Baby.
Pick.
Turuan ka din ni Mama.
Pick.
Okay, turuan ka din.
Wow, pick.
Then,
Mommy.
ilalagay natin dito.
Like that.
Oh, higpitan mo. Oh. Stand up, baby.
Mama.
Ay, wait lang. Si Mama, ha? Turuan ka ni Mama. Wait lang.
Like this.
So,
Ikitan mo pa. Sige, tingin.
what? Mama. It's my turn.
Okay, ako naman yung turn.
Gandahan na yung hawakan mo dito para ano, hindi siya. Oh, give, ikaw na. Oh.
First.
Oh, this one, si Gabe naman. Oh. Try, tapos lagyan natin itong baby Gabe.
Oh my god, it's so liquidy.
Okay. So, lagyan mo tapos
Uy,
cheese.
paano ng breadcrumbs?
Ayun, tuloy mo.
Take turn. Me.
Did you wash your hand?
Mommy, it's my turn.
Okay, it's your turn. Oh, hawakan kita. Oh, ganyan. Tapos i-roll mo
Ever
ng
so
Gabe,
little.
Gabe.
Wow.
Mhm.
Oh.
Oh.
We're going to
Oh,
do this after this. Alright, I'm done with my breadcrumb. I mean bread
Oh, ito.
thingy.
Iikot mo. Circle.
Sister?
Make your
Yeah,
own.
it's circle.
Wow.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Okay, first place.
Wow. This one. Galing ni
What's
Zibo.
that?
A bread roll.
That good?
Like
Yeah,
this.
then.
Like
Oh, lagay mo dito. Dito. Si mama na lang.
No,
Yan.
it's baby one.
Yan.
It's going to be so yummy after the oven.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, this one.
Which one?
Ayan ako.
Kaya tingin ka ito.
Oo, yes.
Yoki. Alright.
Okay.
Sana yung ano ko,
We're done.
breadcrumb. Give me. I need it.
Oh, other si Kuya siya naman.
Uy! Ano ba yan?
Oh, yan.
That was some mess over there.
My turn.
Oh, you're done, babe?
More and
You
more.
need more?
More.
Yeah.
Look at.
This one.
And the
Okay, I think I'm done.
kitchen.
Yeah, I'm done. Woo-wee!
Oh, Kuya siya, no?
Fine.
Ikaw maglagay, tsaka ikaw bumili.
My turn, please.
Okay. Ikaw maglagay ng ano? Egg and heavy breadcrumbs si Grace.
Which ones?
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Sino?
Okay.
No!
Hindi mo.
Hey! I'm making the bed. And then, whoa!
Yan ang gagawin daw.
What's
Okay, siya.
that? It's down here?
I'll try double. Now, Gabe. No, don't do it. No,
I did it.
You knew it?
I do it.
Ah!
Uy, no, no, no. Oh, wait. Is he fine, mommy?
Is he fine, mommy?
Fine, baby. Mama, I'm big. Dad,
Break mo
Dad.
na si Daddy. Na mag-okay.
Okay, Dad.
Mm.
Where's mommy?
Always play.
Oh, I wasn't gonna pay attention. Oh my god, it won't stick. Uy, no! Oh my god, ito almost na. Wait a sec. Ipit mo muna dyan. Wala pang ubos na to.
My turn. To left?
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
My right?
Baba ka? Baba ka na?
Parang gusto ko i-lick yung fingers ko. Paglit.
Red?
Uy, no, no! No!
Red.
Don't open it. We're going to slice it later.
Later?
Yeah.
Ready?
No, later pa.
Much later.
Not yet.
It's later. Please.
Split, split, wait
Not
lang.
later, please. Please.
Hmm.
Yeah.
a little help here.
Top red. Top. Stop.
Okay, now huwag mo snow.
Ano
Ha!
to, Gabe?
Ano na nangyari sa ano na to?
It's okay. Okay.
Ay! Alright. I'm going to wash my hands now.
You too. Halika. Wash your hands. Okay. Let's eat now.
Ah, yay!
Yay.
Yay!
Let's go!
Let's go now.
Merienda tayo, Tito She.
Oh, tara! Wait, I need a fork.
Kami din.
Gabe!
Ay!
I'm going for you, Mom.
Hindi na kami mag-isa lang kami Gabe. Oh. Thank you.
Gaming.
Mommy.
Yummy. Let's eat. You want to try? You want to try this? It's hot.
Huh?
Yeah.
Eat, Mama.
Crunchy.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's crunchy.
Oh. Duck. Duck, 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 duck,
Mm.
duck. Ducky?
Yeah, yummy. Masarap?
Yeah. So,
Masarap daw.
Yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh. Hindi na masyado mainit. Bait mo. Crunchy.
Ducky?
Mmm. Sarap.
and melted yung cheese.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sarap.
Let's eat. Mommy?
Okay.
Um, Can? Yeah, Mama said.
Mm.
Blue?
Nam nam.
Yum, yum.
Mm.
Mommy.
It's yummy.
That's Mama.
Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
Pepper?
Sarap.
Pepper? Can pepper?
Okay, so. It's yummy.
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
It's
Mm. Yeah, my tummy is so big.
Big?
Yes. I'm full. How about you? It's yummy. Delicious.
I just think I would be big.
You like that?
I like that.
Like that?
That's I like that. I'm happy.
You're happy?
Mom, happy mama?
Yes, of course, I'm happy.
I love it, mama.
I love it, Mama.
Mama,
Yes?
what's that?
Bread roll.
Mango
Bread rolls.
and good. What's that?
Burp.
Son, what's that sound?
Your burpee.
Okay? No.
Yummy. Oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Burp.
Like that sound.
Burp.
No, no, no.
And
Yes, and what? It's yummy.
yeah.
Yes, and? What's that?
Nami, mama.
Yeah,
Mama,
I'm here.
I'm here. Yes, mama.
Thank you, na. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.